The ALCO RS-27, specification DL640, is a diesel-electric locomotive built by ALCO between December 1959 and October 1962. Only 27 examples were manufactured. With ALCO's introduction of the Century Series line, the C424, specification DL640A, replaced the RS-27 in the builder's catalog. Today, the Minnesota Commercial Railway has the only two RS-27s left in existence, both operational. Original owners. See also: List of ALCO diesel locomotives. References: Doran, Patrick C., 1972. Chicago and Northwestern Power. Burbank, California, Superior Publishing. Page 145. ISBN 0-87564-715-4. Hayden, Bob, 1980. Model Railroader Cyclopedia Volume 2, Diesel Locomotives. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kalmbach Publishing Company. ISBN 0-89024-547-9. Pink, Jerry A., 1973. The Second Diesel Spotter's Guide. Kalmbach Books. Pages 208-252. LCCN 66-22894. External links. Sarbarenyi, Robert. ALCO RS-27 original owners.